We're moving forward. Hi, once again, I'm Lita, an experienced designer at OneReach.ai. Now, this is the second video in our Getting Started series, so be sure you've watched the first video, the ABCs overview, before continuing. Ready? Here we go. In the first video, we covered the ABCs for building bots: contact, basic knowledge, and skills. You can create so many different types of solutions in CS 2.0 that operate on so many different communication channels. But even though there are tons of possibilities for what you can build, getting started is simple. This quick video gives an overview of concepts you'll need to understand before we show you how to set up your bot. We'll begin focusing on A, contact, and you'll come out of it understanding what channels your bot can communicate on. So let's start with an overview of what contact means in CS 2.0. And in the next video, we'll show you how to establish contact. Now, contact refers to the communication channels your solutions can operate on. Just like humans, your bot can communicate using voice or messaging. But your bot can also communicate with other machines, like IoT devices, and through APIs. The first step to creating conversational applications is to set up contact on your communication channels. In this series, we'll show you how to do that in several categories of channels: voice, messaging, apps, IoT, graphical UIs, HTTP services, and postal services. Okay, so those are the categories of channels you can create contact on. Now, let's break each of them down and give some examples of what they might look like. First off, voice covers things like telephone, as well as connected devices that operate over voice, like Alexa and Google Home, but also can be part of communication platforms like Skype. Next, messaging includes channels like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Slack, rich web chat, email, and SMS, whether over long codes or short codes in any part of the world. Then we have app channels, which include creating a mobile application using the OneReach.ai mobile template, or adding your bot to your own mobile apps using the OneReach.ai SDK. Next, IoT encompasses really any internet-connected physical devices and objects that you're authorized to remotely control and monitor. For example, imagine a leading power tools company creating contact with a power drill so that it can signal to their bot if the drill can no longer hold a charge. Their bot then checks if the drill is under warranty and reaches out to the customer on their preferred channel, confirming that the new warranted battery is on its way. When the customer receives the new battery and connects it to the drill, their bot is triggered to reach out with instructions for safely returning the faulty battery. Moving on, graphical UIs include rich interactive components found in applications like buttons, drop-downs, menus, or forms, as well as other custom graphical interfaces you can create without code in CS 2.0. Then there's HTTP, which allows you to create APIs and connect with other APIs. You can create an API to trigger a conversation, or you can create bot-to-bot communications. Here's an example of that last one. You create a conversational application that has a webhook in Salesforce that notifies your bot of an active customer support call. The bot then notifies the account manager to let them know and offers to help them follow up via email or SMS to ensure the customer is satisfied with the resolution. Finally, the postal service category covers communicating via postal services like UPS, FedEx, DHL, or through public services like the USPS. For example, imagine your company created an HR bot that employees converse with to manage PTO and sick days, and that is trained to automatically mail a get-well-soon postcard to employees who are out sick. So now that you have an overview of the types of channels you can create contact on, you're ready for the next set of videos, where we'll get into the step-by-step instructions for setting up contact for your bot. See you then.